vapor degreaser trial run. This is the control panel, PLC based. MCB for controlling the power. RYB indication of healthy power supply. Then there is one emergency switch, buzzer, door, chilling coil, basket where you have to hold the sample. At the bottom there are 3 heaters, you can see. These are the chilling coil throughout the tank. This is the inlet valve to fill main tank through this. Okay. This is for filling of auxiliary tank. Okay. Now close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Now we will start the machine. Okay. MCB, turn on power through MCB. RYB, indication of healthy power supply. Here is one knob to this door is to protect the PLC. Now close the door. Close the door. Okay. If door is open, it will give you signal door open. These are the alarms. Okay. Now if I will press emergency switch, okay. See, emergency switch pressed. So these are the alarms: emergency switch, door open, low liquid level. There are different tanks, 3 tanks for which the liquid level can be indicated and it will display. Now if everything is okay, I'm releasing the emergency, then we'll have to reset the. Now everything is okay, fine. Now there are 3 modes: run mode, setting mode, run time, alarm setup. Now suppose I am going to setting. So in setting there are 3 things. Main tank set temperature 80 degree. This will depend on the boiling temperature of the liquid which you have kept inside your tank. So above this 90 degree, suppose 10 degree higher than that we will set, then this will not, this will stop the machine to prevent from, don't open the door, okay. So this setting mode, we were in setting mode. So main tank set temperature is 80 degree. This setting is depending on your boiling temperature of the solvent. You can change by pressing this. You can increase or decrease the value and press enter. Okay. Main set high temperature, that's it, 90 degree, it won't allow the machine to run. Then if it goes 10 degree higher than the set temperature, then this won't allow the machine to run. Main tank ambient temperature we have set it 40 degrees. So once the cycle is over for 80 degree temperature, then let it go near 40 degree, then open the door. Next page of setting, main tank over temperature 85. This will also give us protection. And other heater off time. Suppose if you have kept processing time 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever is the time, till then heater will remain on. Then after completion of that time, it will stop. Then buzzer on time. If any alarm generates, then buzzer will turn on for 5 seconds. This is also settable: 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 50 seconds. This user can set. Now, so these are the setting points. Now in run mode, see, run mode, Main tank temperature is 47 degree. Cooling zone temperature is 28 degree. And action time, because once the set temperature will reach, then only action time will start. So at presently this is off. Compressor off means once the set temperature reaches, then only compressor start. Recovery tank off, this will give, when we turn it on, it will collect sample back from the recovery tank to the main tank. This is what the setting is. Now I am turning it off and I am just starting the process. Start. The process has started. We'll take another reading in next video. Thank you.